cette liberté de nous réjouir en toi.
Hello Daniel, I am Mr. Donek Yeli, grade 5 teacher. In grade 5, we are Daniel. Well, previously in botanical science, I taught you about the plants, and I gave you part of the plants. I said we have underground part where you can see roots, and the area part where you can see the stem, fruit, and so on. Previously, I taught you about roots. We saw different kinds of roots. So today we're gonna see the iron part, which is we have, among the iron part we have the stem. So today in botanical science, our lesson is about the stem. Okay, stem, notion, and parts. We're gonna see the definition of the stem and its parts. When we have definition, what is a stem? Let's read it with me. The stem is one of the parts of the plants. It is one of the vegetative organs of the plants. Let me say that one more time. The stem is one of the parts of a plant. It is one of the vegetative organs of the plant. So, the stem is one of the parts of the plant, as I told you, because we have underground part and iron part. In the iron part, we have also the stem. So it is a vegetative organ. It is the part that make it the plant. Okay, great. So in the stem, as you can see, here is the stem. The stem is here. You see here we have underground part. Here we have aerial part, and in the aerial part we have what we call the stem. The stem is here. Okay? So it carries the leaves. You can see the leaves of flowers and fruits. Okay? This part carries leaves, flowers, and fruits. Okay? That's it. So what is the importance of a stem? Here we go. The stem determines the plant habits. It provides support function and a transport of nutrients from the roots to leaves. So a stem is a part that is very important in the plant because it helps the leaves to eat from the roots. Okay? Because a plant, eats from the roots. Okay? The roots look for the food, and then the stem will carry that up to the fruits or the leaves and so on. Okay? So it is very important. And here we have the stem always as a terminal bud. Bud is a part of a stem. Okay? It is very, very small. So it starts from the beginning. It starts, growing up, and then it becomes the stem. Okay? As it's written here, the stem always has a terminal bud that constantly produces new leaves. If you see leaves here, it starts here from the stem. Okay? And in the beginning, we have first of all the bud. The bud that when it grows up, then it's going to produce leaves that you see in the stem or in the plant. Okay? Thanks so much for watching this video, but before we get separated, we have an exercise here. Exercise number 1, you will define a stem. Number 2, you will give me the importance of a stem. It's what we have studied right now. I hope to see you next time for a new video. In the meantime, you have to protect yourselves by wearing your mask whenever you want to go to crowded places, and always sneeze and cough in your elbow. Goodbye, may God bless you.